So in this video I'll show you how to recharge the AC system. Some time ago I made a video how to replace AC compressor. You'll find it in my channel. But in this video I'll show you just how to recharge it. This is a brand new pump I got on Amazon for about $100. I'll give you a link at the bottom as well. And it comes with vacuum pump oil. Before doing anything else, we're gonna make sure there is oil and it doesn't have any. So we're gonna add oil. Now I see the oil. Okay, I'm gonna say that's pretty good. And make sure anytime you use this pump, this stays out. So first thing we're gonna do is take air out of the system. So I got low here, high there, it's all connected. This line connected to the vacuum pump, and those are unlocked. So now I'm gonna connect the vacuum and let the system take air out. This has to go to about negative 29, 28, something like that. So it's been about 30 minutes, no leaks, still no air in the system. Those two are closed. And we can unplug the vacuum. And now we're gonna use this to put in a can of Freon. Make sure needle is all the way back, so turn it counterclockwise. And make sure there is a ring inside. Now you're gonna puncture the hole in the can. So now it's closed. Now open it. So now this yellow hose has Freon and it has air. And using a screwdriver, we're gonna let air out. Now it's good. Now let's start the truck. We have AC set to on. I'm gonna put this little gauge in AC vent. So now we're gonna slowly open low. We do not touch high. High remains closed. And we already see that clutch is engaging. I can already tell that air is pretty cold. Not too cold, but it's already at like about 70. So Freon capacity on Ridgeline is about 19 to 22, 23. Each can has 12 ounce. So the fact that we lose some here, if we put two full, it's not gonna be too much. I think it'll be about perfect level. So we run out of this one. We're gonna close this all the way. And we're gonna replace the can. Turn it all the way out. It's still all the way out. Now we're gonna close it all the way. And now open it. Now we have to let air out from here again. And now we're gonna open the low line slowly. I'm gonna check how cold the air now. Okay, very cold here. And it shows 50. Let me know if that's what you see or what should be the temperature here. But it's definitely cold air. Just make sure before you recycle those, you gotta put a hole in the back of the can. So that's how you get them ready for recycle. So that's how you recharge the system. Hopefully you enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave comments and I'll try to answer. Let me know what your gauge show here and interior AC vents, what temperature you got. Hopefully what I did is gonna last for a while. I'll leave you Amazon link for this system and for anything else I used. Again, thanks for watching. See you next time.